Welcome to another review video in my channel. In this video, I will show you a single camera drone with your best budget, and this one is the best selling drone in online marketplaces. So please watch this full video, and will you buy it or not, decide after watching this full video. Let's jump on the review. Meet with KCX A1 Pro camera drone. This drone has 2-axis stabilization features, so you can click pictures from innovative angles with the mini drone's 2-axis stabilization mechanical pan tilt features. And its tilt camera helps you to achieve a tilt angle of 110 degree, while the vertical photography angle is minus 90 degree or plus 20 degree. Its another great feature is gesture recognition. When you make a gesture looking at the drone camera, standing 1 to 3 meters away from it, it will click your picture. The aircraft smartly recognizes the gesture and instantly turns your happy moments into everlasting memories. Also, you can command the aircraft to take off, land, even return from a distance with just a single click. When summoned back, the drone will come to the original location from where it took off. By using its fixed point surrounding feature, you can command the aircraft to take off, land, and even return from a distance with just a single click. Fix a point, then set the radial distance with the joystick and watch the drone take videos encircling in selected object. It can fly for 30 minutes continuously and shoot amazing HD video at 25 FPS. The Quadcopter also boasts an excellent video resolution of 2048 into 1008 pixel and picture resolution is 4096 into 3072 pixel. You can also transfer images in real time with the help of Wi-Fi up to a distance of 600 meters. It has a 2-axis anti-shaking self-stabilizing drone camera gimbal, so this feature will make your videos extremely stabilized. So these are the few features of this KCX A1 Pro camera drone, and if you want to know more info, reviews and price, please check the description link. And please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for getting more videos from me. Thank you so much for watching this video.